Welcome to the ultimate guide to growing tomatoes, those vibrant fruits that bring sunshine to our plates. Join me as we venture into the fascinating world of tomato cultivation, a journey that promises an abundance of juicy rewards. Today we'll unravel the secrets to cultivating thriving tomato plants, capable of producing bountiful harvests. We'll delve into the essential techniques of pruning, staking, and preventing diseases, empowering you with the knowledge to create your own thriving tomato haven. Get ready to nurture these botanical marvels and witness the transformation from tiny seedlings to flourishing plants laden with ripe, flavorful tomatoes. Let's embark on this horticultural adventure together. Just as a sculptor shapes their masterpiece, so too must we guide our tomato plants through pruning. Remove specific parts to enhance health and productivity. Observe where a leaf stem branches off the main stem. Snip off suckers to redirect energy to fruits. Maintain a central stem for structural integrity. Embrace pruning to transform your tomato garden. As our tomato plants ascend towards the sun, their slender stems require support to bear the weight of their future bounty. Staking, the practice of providing vertical support, is crucial for maintaining the plant's structural integrity and maximizing fruit production. A variety of staking methods exist, each offering its own advantages. One common approach involves driving sturdy stakes into the ground near each plant, providing a steadfast anchor for the plant to lean upon. Gently tie the main stem of the tomato plant to the stake using soft garden twine or clips, taking care not to damage the delicate stem. As the plant grows taller, continue to secure it to the stake at regular intervals, providing unwavering support. Another popular method utilizes tomato cages, cylindrical structures that encircle the plant, offering 360-degree support. These cages are particularly beneficial for determinate tomato varieties, which tend to grow more compactly. Whichever staking method you choose, ensure that the support structure is strong enough to withstand the weight of a mature tomato plant laden with ripe fruit. A well-staked tomato plant will stand tall and proud, its branches reaching skyward with confidence. Staking not only provides essential support, but also improves air circulation around the plant, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Furthermore, it keeps the fruits off the ground, preventing rot and making harvesting a breeze. Just as a healthy immune system protects us from illness, so too can we fortify our tomato plants against the threat of diseases through proactive measures. Prevention is key to ensuring a thriving tomato garden and a bountiful harvest. Maintaining proper air circulation around the plants is paramount. Adequate spacing between plants allows for optimal airflow, reducing humidity levels and minimizing the risk of fungal diseases. Watering at the base of the plant rather than overhead is another crucial step in disease prevention. Wet leaves create an inviting environment for fungal spores to germinate, so keeping the foliage dry is essential. Mulching around the base of the plants with organic matter, such as straw or wood chips, helps to suppress weeds which can harbor pests and diseases. Mulch also helps to regulate soil temperature and retain moisture. Regularly inspect your tomato plants for any signs of disease, such as leaf spots, wilting, or discoloration. Early detection is crucial for effective treatment and preventing the spread of infection. If you do encounter disease, consult with your local garden center or agricultural extension office for guidance on appropriate treatment options. They can provide valuable insights into identifying and managing specific diseases prevalent in your area. Remember, a healthy garden begins with healthy soil. Amending your soil with compost or other organic matter improves its structure, drainage, and nutrient content, creating an environment conducive to healthy plant growth. As we conclude our exploration of tomato growing secrets, I encourage you to embrace these techniques and witness the transformation in your own garden. From the careful pruning of suckers to the steadfast support of stakes, every step plays a vital role in cultivating thriving tomato plants. Remember, gardening is a journey of observation, experimentation, and joy. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, to nurture your plants, and to revel in the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown tomatoes. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your tomato plants flourish with an abundance of juicy, flavorful fruits.